Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear door panel on a 10th generation Honda Civic. Start out by removing this upper corner cover using a plastic pry tool. Just get behind it and pop it off. We're going to remove this window control unit, and using your plastic pry tool again, come around to the front side of it and get up underneath it and just pry up on it. And then remove this plug by pushing on the tab and pulling out. And underneath here is a Phillips screw that needs to come out. Next, take your wide plastic pry tool. You can get these sets off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description of where you can get these. And you're just going to take it and drive it between the door panel and the door itself. And then place one hand on this lower storage bin on the door panel and your other hand on the plastic pry tool and pull out at the same time. And then just continue pulling the door panel straight out. And it comes right off. That's it guys, door panel's off. Thanks for watching.